Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Marissa. Today I have a ScrapDiva Designs project that I'm sharing, and we're going to be making some super cute bow bouquets. I'm going to show you guys how I put these together. They are so simple and fun to make. I thought it would be a cute way to share the new dies I just released. For this project, I ended up using a few, but primarily we're using the new triple star bow, and then we're also using the Heart Fantasy flower plates. We're using the small and the large for this. I absolutely love them. They're available at ScrapDivaDesigns.com. I do have a code MWalker10. You guys can use that for 10% off. I will link everything in the description box. So one of the other things I did though was I had some extra flowers from playing with this, and I've had this card laying around, gosh, for years. This is an old basil card that is already made, and it's like the double panel opening up. I've had these for like probably 20 years. When Basil had their paper collection at the scrapbook store I worked, they had really cool card kits that came with the cards themselves and the envelopes, and they had really long ones. They had some matchbook style, and then they had these. And so I've had this for a long time, and then I put together the little horse on there, and then this blue card here I stitched, and I had that sitting there made, and so I decided to add this little horse that I had extra from when I made the memory decks cards with the colored animals. And then I had the leftover flowers, so I went ahead and added those there, and then I cut out these leaves. I think they're part of one of the flower die set that Erica has in her shop, but I added a cute little doily back there, and then some real cute little photo corners that I punched out. Oh, I just love the way this turned out. So cute. Anyways, on to the project. So I thought it'd be cute to share how I made this bow bouquet. I have seen so many girls make real bouquets, and I thought, oh my gosh, wouldn't it be so cute to do a bow one? I've done cute little assortments with chocolate on them with little hearts, and I would stick them in pails for Valentine's Day. And I have a bunch of straws that I started to accumulate for wands and whatnot, but that was one of the things I was using them for. And so then I thought, I'm going to share how I made this. Now I took pattern paper, sewing patterns, and I cut them down and turned them into triangles, and then used them to create the wrapping paper, which I thought was so cute. And then I did use the Thankful die set, the word one that just came out as well, and added that there for the tag. So what you're gonna need is obviously some bows, which I'm gonna do some Halloween ones because I thought it'd be fun to do Halloween. And then you're gonna need paper straws. I used these that I've had in my stash forever. For a while there, they were the thing to use, and everybody was buying them up, and they were everywhere. And now they still have them, but not as much as before. But I'm going to just glue them down right at the tip, and I'm just going to use hot glue, so you can see here just a little bit, because they'll be able to be popped off and used. But you want to make sure that they're right at the edge of the straw, the tip here, and that they're straight, so they're not, you know, off by any chance. And then you're going to do all of them with the straw. One of them I do cut down just so it's not whatchamacallit, the straw won't stick out. But the two small ones, I keep them the same length, and then one of them I'm going to keep the same length there. And then the last one that'll go at the bottom, I will definitely be trimming that one down a bit, just because it'll be too long and sticking out. So I'm gonna lay them down like this, and then this one, because I know I want it here, and I don't want this too much. I'm gonna do them like this, and then like this. So I know that I need about that much there. So I'm just gonna take scissors and cut that. Oops. And then I'm gonna glue this side because it's kind of wonky, and I don't want it showing. I want the bottom to look all even. So we're just gonna glue that down there like that and make sure it's straight, and then it's gonna go there like that. Next, what you want to do is get some tape and make sure that it holds your straw together. Okay, now you're going to get a piece of sewing pattern. You can be whatever you want. This one's kind of long, but I'm going to trim it down. So what I'm going to do is, because I wanted to have like a triangle, I'm going to take my paper and do this. Just this one will have just one because obviously it's a good size. The other one that I had was not a great size. It was kind of too small, so I had to cut it in half and then do 2 triangles and overlap them. This one's big enough where I could just use one. So we're just gonna get that out. So I have this triangle here, kind of like how they do the flowers. You're gonna do that basically. So, oh, this one's already ripping. No. Okay, let's do this again. So you're gonna take, is this one the short one? No, this is not this. Okay, so you're gonna take one here, and you're, oh, that's gonna bug me. Okay, and then you're gonna overlap this one here and kind of create like a cute little flower pattern there, and then you would put your last one there, and you kind of wanna get a piece of Scotch tape and hold them down so that they don't kind of like move around, you know? And so you'll do that. I need to get one in the back there. I don't know if this is gonna work. And this right here is where you're kind of basically going to tie down the part here. You're gonna gather it. So you're gonna gather your paper there like this, and you can have it, you know, be however you want. I'm gonna do it like this just because I think it's gonna look pretty. And there you go. Now you have your flower bouquet, and you can obviously either bring it down and just adjust it how you want it to look. And you can add another triangle to give it more, you know, room. Like this one has more of a kind of out shape, but I have 2 of them in there that are taped together. You just can't see it, and so that's why you have those 2. This one's gonna be more of a, and then you take your string, which I think I have these. I love this burlap string. It's from, I always get tongue-tied when I say it, Really Reasonable Ribbon, and it's like 10 cents a yard. It's like so cheap. I love it. I'll link it in the description box. They don't do, I think they do more like hops, I think, on the blog sites for their design team. I think they have like a couple people that design for them, and then the rest are, I think, are like, they say word of mouth, if I remember. They're really like a small, like little, I don't think they're a small company, but I think most of their stuff is like online, and I just love this, and I love that it's so cheap. So I always buy, and they have lots of colors that are really pretty. Okay, so you're just gonna tie it down now, and then you can add a tag, or you can just add a bigger bow. I like using this string, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna add a cute little tag. Okay, that did not turn out the way I wanted it to, but it's okay. Let me cut that piece off. Okay. Okay, so here is my cute little bouquet. So I found this tag in this ephemera kit because I did use that paper collection for this. I thought this would be cute to add to my embellishment book that I'm making. So I'm just gonna tie that there. I need to find like a cute little charm that would be so cute to add there. Okay, let me tie this up and make it about even there. Trim it a little bit. There, now it's even. Actually, I have this little spider. I'm just gonna put a dab of glue there, and I think it'll be so cute to add here like that. Just a simple little touch like that. Ooh, I love the way that looks. Okay, so that's how simple it is. Look at that. Or if you want like colored tissue, like you know how they make the holiday tissue, you could totally do that too. And now you can send some happy mail with this flower bouquet. How cute is that? I love this. I love this idea, you guys. So cute. I hope you try it out and send some happy mail or give somebody their bouquet of bows. So if you guys want to pick this set up, head over to ScrapDivaDesigns.com. Don't forget to check out hashtag ScrapDivaDesigns because all the girls are making some amazing projects. Just so good. It's hard not to stay inspired watching them. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye.